Assalamu-Alaikum guys, welcome to my channel Program for Hack. And if you like my content, then you can subscribe, and if you don't like my content, then you don't need to subscribe, okay, and no need to share. If you like, then you can share, okay. So I want to show you about a tool that will save your time in md5 hash cracking. Maybe I will update in the future because I have no much time to update it, and I am alone, so therefore I am no other my friend programmer so it can help me. So I have to code on my own and I have no much time. So without wasting your time, let's first of all roll the intro. Okay, let's start. And the tool name is Elliot tool, and maybe I will change the name of the tool. Maybe I will change the name of tool in future, but for now the tool name is Elliot, okay. And what it can do in the like other tools, it can crack md5 hash, and it can use wordlist, and it can use incremental mode to crack hash md5 hash. And what is incremental mode? Basically incremental mode uses all the combination of alphabets, lowercase alphabets, uppercase alphabets, and other symbols to crack the hash. And you can also get these all things in John the Ripper tool. So some of you are thinking why you want to use my tool, why you use this tool, okay. Well, other hackers use John the Ripper tool, okay. So why you need to use this tool? Because this tool can save your time while you are cracking md5 hash. If you're using incremental mode with your md5 hash, then it will take much time to crack hash, okay. So you know, if you are using incremental mode and you have reached B and maybe C, D, E in this line, and after this your attack get terminated because of some reason, maybe it will power off, or maybe your computer gets more warm and you want to stop the attack. So in these conditions you get furious because you want to start from the beginning of the attack, okay. You cannot resume from there, okay. And maybe you can break your PC. I have also suffered this problem last year. I have faced this problem last year, and I have also breaked my mobile, okay. I have not break my PC. If you are thinking about PC, I have not my break PC, okay, because my PC is alone, because I have one PC to work on. I have no more PCs so I have break my mobile, and let's leave it. So I will update this tool and make it more advanced like John the Ripper if I will get time, and if I will not get time, then I think I will not update this, but I will update, I am sure. So first of all, here is the help menu of the tool, which is hash crack. I have named, for now I will change his name and put an executable for Linux and Windows both in GitHub. And here you can see, like other tools, help menu for -h for help menu, and -w for word list, -min for minimum length of password, -max for maximum length of password, -char for the letters you want to use. And here this wordless mode is separated, and these options are used with incremental mode. You can use both modes, but I will recommend you to use one of these, okay. So how you can use the tool? So first of all, you want to type python 3 and the tool name and the -t for the hash, and I will use this hash to show you how wordless mode is work. If you will not specify -w for wordless, it will use the wordless present in the wordless folder of this directory, and I have set it the path, okay. So you want to also specify output file in which it will save the password after cracking it, okay. Now it will try the default wordlist, and the wordlist path is this in this folder, and rockyou.txt. So it has tried 4000 password, and the last password is this, because I have seen the word list. The last password of the word list is this, and it has cracked so much faster. But the main goal is how you can resume in incremental mode. So how incremental mode looks like, I think -char or maybe -c for specifying characters. You can put lower, and here you can see lower, upper, num and symbols all are available here. If you want to use 2 or 3 or all of them, then you can separate them using comma like this. I will show you. Lower comma, upper comma, num, you can put like this, but I want to only use this lower. Okay, so minimum length I want to specify 4 or maybe 5. I think 4 is enough, and the maximum length I want to say is 4, and enough. All the options are specified. Now if I hit enter, it will try to crack hash, and if I will stop the attack, then you have seen that it is trying hash and it has reached in IUEF. And after it, if I again start the attack, you can see it has started again from A, and this will make you not easy for it, because you will get furious if you get you want to start attack from the beginning. So what you can do, you can specify -n option, and you want to specify the name of file in which you want to save the session. So I will save the session in the file which has my name, akhacker, and I will specify the extension of session. You can also specify .txt, you can try txt, but I recommend you to use session. So therefore you can remember that it is a session file and you don't want to change this file. Okay, now if I hit enter and stop my attack, it will save the last password and the other information in the file. So I have started the attack and stopped, and while using session, it will stop like this. Okay, so here you can see it has stopped attack in EWZK. So if first of all clear the screen, if I go and check session, and you can see it has stored here the password, last password he has tried, the minimum length and the maximum length, and the iteration in which they are surfing. If you have here 8, 4 to 8, then maybe here you will get 7 and other things. This is related to programming, you don't want to think much about this. Here is the letters using to crack this, and here is the file, and here is the hash, and here is the mode which is incremental mode. So now it has stopped on E. You can see here is first E. What it can do, it can start from the E. Okay, after it may be A and other, but it will start from the E. This will save your much time. Okay, like if I stop clear the screen and remove all of these, because all of these options are saved in the file. I have to specify -r, and after it I have to specify the file name, and here is the session. Okay, akhacker.session. Now what it will do, it will take the hash from this file and take the iteration from where he has left and start from there. You can see it has start from E, and here L. Maybe you can not see because of his fast speed, but it will save your much time. And I think I am using hash of something like this, akhacker, so I will use hash of z, and again create the session with this hash. So you can see it is trying, and I will stop on G, oh sorry, it's I, and get the session file, and you can see it's IHLI. it stopped on I iteration. Okay, now it will start from there, and I will specify again this, and you want to see the first password it will use, it will begin from the I. Okay, you have seen it will begin from the I, and now it will crack the password. So in this way you can save your time by saving the session, so therefore you no need to start from the beginning of the attack. You can start from the last iteration it has made. Okay, so maybe this video is helpful for you, and this tool is much helpful for cracking hashes, and maybe I will update in future because I'm no much time and no much internet connection also. So if you like my video and like my tool, then subscribe my channel and also share this video and this channel with your friends. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. Here is my Instagram ID, aka_program4hack, and I will upload this tool on GitHub and put the link in description. And I think I will also put the link of my Telegram, but I'm not using Telegram for these days because of internet connection. So meet you in next video. For now, Allah Hafiz.